way that we're going to glaze our pot will be called a half and halfway. We'll dip it halfway vertically up the pot and then flip it and do halfway vertically up again. So we're still going to put the wax on the bottom. So we'll let that sit in the wax for a couple of seconds and then take it out, making sure that you don't let it drip on the side of the pot. Okay, after that we're going to again mix the glaze up. And I've already mixed it a little bit so we don't have to do too much. And this way we're not going to use a pair of dipping tongs, we're just going to use our hands, making sure that we don't dip our hands into the glaze. So I'm going to hold on the top and the bottom of the pot, and I'm going to push this in and pour it out. And you can see that I've gone halfway up the pot. I'm going to let it dry. You can see how it's still shiny. So I'll let that dry all the way until I touch the other side. Okay, and once it's not shiny, then you'll be able to touch it without it cracking off. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and hold the top and the back part again of the pot and do the same thing, making sure that I get every bit of it inside and outside. So push it in, pour it out, and again letting this dry. You can see how one side is pretty wet still and one side has already dried. So this is a way that you can, if you want to have two colors on the left and the right side, you can do it this way, or if your bucket of glaze is rather low, this is another way you can get it without having to get more glaze. So there's technique 2.